So my digital resource that my students will be using will be Discovery Education. So this website, I actually need to log in for them. So they will come to a screen like this where I've already searched what they'll be researching. So as you can see, I've already searched for this specific group, the Grand Canyon. So I will explain to them that they can pick any sort of video that they would like to do. For example, this one is a really great video. It shows some images of the Grand Canyon so they can see what it looks like. And then this one is also a video into the Grand Canyon, so I will explain to them that they can just click the video and then click play. And then it will show them the video about their specific place.
My people lived in darkness. There was no light. And then there was a rumbling like thunder.
So as you can see, it will show some different things about the Grand Canyon.
But this is not just an immense chasm. It is a landscape, alive.
So they can watch multiple different videos about their specific place. As you can see, there's tons of different videos that they can watch and click and play and just go back and forth between the videos. And then as they're doing that, they are going to be taking notes on their graphic organizer, which they will have. And then so after they're publishing, they will be set up in Google Slides, so it will look like this when they start. Now I will let them pick a theme as a group because they are again working in smaller groups than what they were researching. And they will be set up like this. So this is something that my students will see. So if, again, I was researching the Grand Canyon, they would just type the Grand Canyon and then their different group members. And then what I will show them in the lesson before they actually start publishing is how to type on the computer, so moving the mouse, and then again how to click to add a new slide. Because that's pretty important. So they'll only be working with the title slide and the title body. So the next one that they would do is where is the place? And then whoops, sorry. So then they would just click through and then they would go through and add another slide. And they would type, what do people do there? Their next slide would be, what does it look like? And then it would also be other interesting facts. So they only have to add in about one bullet point for each thing. So we would just talk about how they would want to insert a fact into this box, and then in order to add pictures, they would just go to Google. Oops. And then they would search Grand Canyon. And then we would just look at different images on here. And then we would just talk about how you just click copy image, then you're going to go back to your slide, and then you're just going to paste the image on there, and then they can move it around. So that's how they're going to create their final project digitally. So that's all that they would need to do, and that is it. All right, thanks.